Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Fit key fob battery. This simple DIY task can save you time and money. You will need a new CR2032 3-volt coin battery, which is widely available. Additionally, have a small flathead screwdriver or your key fob's emergency key ready to assist with opening the case. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open your key fob. Begin by pressing the release button and sliding out the emergency key from the bottom. Next, look for a small slot along the edge of the key fob's casing. Carefully insert the tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the tool to pry apart the two halves of the key fob, revealing the internal components. Once your key fob is open, you will see the old coin battery nestled in its holder. Take a small flathead screwdriver or your fingernail and gently pry the old battery out of its slot. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. Now, take your new CR2032 3-volt battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Reinsert the emergency key back into its slot at the bottom of the fob. Now, go to your Honda Fit and test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.